When I walk into Dharavi every day, I see that this is a restricted ward for them. Knowing what lies beyond Dharavi or what lies outside their community is as much important as it is sitting in the classroom and studying. That exposure becomes important because it then directly translates into the class. When they get to do different extracurricular activities, it automatically releases their stress. They enjoy going outside, meeting new people, doing different activities which they would not have gotten an opportunity to do otherwise.
We make rotis at home every day, right?
Yes. We had them come in every month, and every month we did something different with them, using food but tying it into their curriculum. So we used chocolate to teach them about geography and how food travels. We did a breads class and we taught them about ratio and measurement using flour and water. Then we also talked about, biology, because the yeast and how it reacts to the humidity.
My experience is coming back here. I really feel cooking enjoyable here, and doing masti with cooking food, and we are getting to know more about the things that we don't know actually.
I'm very interested in coming in these sessions, and I'm very lucky that I have got TFI sessions in my schools. These sessions are a lot of knowledgeable, and it is very useful for our daily lives.
I remember joining the first day coming in here. The second day, the first thing the kids asked me when they got to know me, the first thing they asked me, Didi, when is Cook Studio resuming? So they really enjoyed.
Today we are making 3 dishes with spinach, and it is outside of India. It is from Mexican. It is very nice to eat, and when we are making it, we are feeling very happy and we are enjoying with it.
So each recipe that we've done so far has taken into account what they have access to. We didn't want to give them something that they wouldn't have access to, because then they're not going to make it again at home.
They try to make it at home. They discuss it in the class with me. Didi, I tried this. Didi, I made biryani. Or Didi, I made that fried rice. Or I made that curry.
In this session, we work as a team, and it shows our value that we had a teamwork as well.
In our society, the message is giving us that only girls can cook food, not boys. But it is not the thing only that girls can cook food. If girls can cook food, so boys can also cook food.
I think food is something that we don't give enough importance to, especially probably in their world. It's a functional thing more than a fun thing. So I also wanted them to have fun.
इसमें से कुछ बनाया तूने?
That is my recipe book. Whichever recipe I like, I just write in my diary. If I forget, so I can rewind it and remember it and make it.
So last year when I was in 7th standard, we have 10 to 12 sessions, and we tried something new. So this year what we are planning, we and Rushina Didi are planning, is to do something very new, and we have to make something as similar as restaurant. We are going to cook for ourselves and also bring our parents.
At the end of the year, I'm working towards these kids doing a little pop-up restaurant. I've got lots of ideas. I don't know what is going to work out and what's not going to work out, but I do think that it will be something brilliant that these kids will pull together.